Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a sticky note widget on your iPhone. So let's start. First open the App Store and search for Sticky Widgets app. This app is completely free, so download it right now. Now close the App Store. Now long press on the home screen and tap on the plus icon to add a widget. Now search for the sticky widgets. Now select a size and then tap on Add Widget. Now tap on the widget and you can change the background color, the text color, the font, and as well as the text size. And you are almost done. Now tap on the widget and write down your note. Tap Save when you are done. And that's how you can add a sticky note widget on your iPhone. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.